Today we're going to go over the process of installing our 5M0 and our 5ML legs onto our tabletops. This process will be the same for coffee, dining, balcony, and bar height legs. And it'll be the same process whether it's the 5M0 legs like we have here or the 5ML legs, which are similarly constructed. So to start, I'm going to use a battery drill with a 7/16 driver in it. I'm going to take care to set the clutch on my battery drill to 16 so that I'm not going to over tighten these when I'm installing them. And then I'm going to start simply by lining up the leg in the corner to the holes in my frame here. And then I'm just going to finger tighten both of my screws or both of my bolts in here in the top and the bottom. And now I'm ready to tighten them with my drill. I'm going to start on this hole closest to the underside of the table. I'm going to tighten that completely. You'll hear that drill clutch out. Then I'll move up here to the top. Now, once I tighten both the bottom and the top, I want to take the opportunity to go back to the bottom, and I want to tighten it a little bit more, because as I drew up the top, I likely loosened the bottom here. And then we'll do the same here. So again, after that initial tighten with the drill of both of the bolts, I'm going to go back through and I'm going to put the drill on them and tighten them again, just to take up any additional slack. To here, and then here again. And we've got two more on this side. And we'll come back here. And one more. One more. And that completes the assembly of our 5M0 legs or our 5ML legs to the underside of our Parsons style table.